Hey, Vince here. We're gonna be doing the tuning the engine. We got an ignition system we're gonna put in. Got to tune the carburetor, get the timing all set up, and get it running right. Starting with removing the points and condenser from the distributor, and also the coil. You can see I got two coils there. The blue one is the original one, and the black one is the hot coil for the Petronix ignition. Here, giving the mount a quick paint job, and then this wire is from the coil to the carburetor. It was just old and janky, so I made a new one. There's the electronic ignition. I had to drill out the side of the distributor a little bit to get the rubber grommet in. Here I'm installing the distributor and the coil. I'm setting top dead center right now. You can see I have a timing light attached. But honestly, I could not get the ignition switch to the electronic ignition to start. So in the meantime, I swapped over to the carburetor and just put a base tune in. That's where they say from the manual. And here's my dad helping me, trying to figure out why we're not getting any spark. And I did not figure it out. I went back, put the condenser and points back in. I set the timing, I marked it, I put the electronic ignition in, put the distributor back to the timing of what it was supposed to be. Could not get it to run. Here you see I'm swapping back to the condenser and the points, and it runs great with the points and condenser. You will see in a future video I do have to change some engine parts, but neither here nor there. So in the end, I did end up going back to the points and condenser because it works, and I got to figure out why it's not working with the ignition system. Right here, you're going to see smoke right there. I connected the condenser to the wrong side of the coil, totally burned up the wire, so I had to replace that, but that wasn't too bad. There you can see I'm using the timing light to get the timing set perfect. So I couldn't get the electronic ignition working. I put the points and plugs back in. Car fired right up. Set the timing. Just could not get the electronic ignition working. So I'm going to call the manufacturer on Monday, see if they have any suggestions. I went through their troubleshooting guide, but couldn't figure it out. So I'm going to move on to some body work. There's a couple places. Example, like right here, there's some missing paint. There's a dent right here, a little bit right here, needs a little body work right here. So I'm gonna do the Bondo. This stuff it's not really dense. It's just there's so many layers of paint on these Volkswagens. My last one was like this too. So yeah, I'm using some Bondo. Like I said, it's not really dense. There's 8 layers of paint on this vehicle. And so if I was going to do this right, I would have to strip all that paint down, but right now that's not the goal with the car. So I'm going to put some Bondo on just to make it look presentable. When I do the matte black spray paint, it's going to cover a lot of this stuff, so I'm not too worried. So I sanded it down, some of those sections down, and then just grab some Bondo, and it's really a small amount. I could not find my Bondo spreading tool, so I just took a piece of plywood, put some tape on it so that none of the wood is actually getting into the Bondo, and it worked great for this application. So that's a wrap for this video. I put the electronic ignition system in. Did not work, unfortunately. So I put the points and condenser back in. I set the timing, got the carburetor tuned. Car is running the best